This is video number 2, my Halloween treats, and this is the caramel coated popcorn. We'll start out by using just regular old-fashioned popcorn, and I have this nifty little picture that I bought at Walmart for like $7.99 about 3 or 4 years ago. It's wonderful. You just put it in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes and pops that popcorn. You can even put butter in the top. And if you can no longer find this at Walmart, I'm sure you could order it on Amazon. And this is way healthier than that bag of popcorn that you buy and pop in the microwave. You'll need a clean bag, brown bag, and I got this from Aldi's. I popped 3 pictures of popcorn, poured it in that bag. Now you'll need a medium-sized pan. Go ahead and put 1 stick of butter in it. Turn your stovetop eye on to simmer to low. I did cook this on simmer. I'm adding 1 cup of packed brown sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of Morton's kosher salt, 1/4 cup of Karo syrup, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Want to keep stirring this until you get it nice and blended. Leave that stovetop on to simmer. Don't walk away from this too often. Stir it. And while that's cooking, go ahead and cut the top off of that grocery bag. That is going to make this whole process easier for you. Also, while that caramel sauce is cooking, go ahead and spray a baking sheet with some Pam or cooking spray. We don't want to leave that caramel sauce for too long. You want to stir this occasionally throughout the cooking process, which actually took maybe about 5 to 10 minutes once it was all blended together. Now it's going to start to come to a boil. When it gets to a full rolling boil, you are going to let this boil for 1 minute. That is very important. That will actually help this caramel sauce to harden eventually when you put it on your popcorn. So 1 minute, full rolling boil, and now we're just going to pour this into the bag on top of that popcorn. Once you have all the caramel sauce poured into the bag, you're going to work quickly here and go ahead and just fold this bag, and we are going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Y'all, my hands look so awful. Those are the hands of a working woman. Okay, once you get it out of the microwave, go ahead and shake it. Shake, shake, shake. That sounds like a song from the late 70s. And y'all know y'all are singing that song in your head. I know I was. But anyways, you are going to shake, shake, shake this bag. You want to get that popcorn nice and coated with caramel. Now, I will say this. Try your best to keep the kernels out of this because they really stick onto your popcorn with the caramel. So before you put that popcorn in that bag, try to make sure that you don't have any loose kernels. Now you just pour your popcorn onto that baking sheet and just go ahead and move it around. I like to separate it a little bit there and to check also to make sure I don't see any kernels. You really want to get those out because it can be very unpleasant to bite into those. Normally when I make caramel coated popcorn, I do it in the oven, which I have a wonderful recipe for that, by the way. But this was really, really good. And it was so much easier to make. I think it might have taken me 30 to 40 minutes. The original recipe says 10 minutes. Yeah, no, that's not happening. But it did take me 30 to 40 minutes. This is such a fun treat for our little ghosts and goblins. Y'all have a great, happy, and safe Halloween weekend.